Okay guys, I'm gonna demo this Puzzle Cube fountain. They're $19. They've got ground blooms that come out of the side, all four sides. This one I'm just gonna light up. It's missing one over here, but I think the rest of them should probably go off fine. We'll check it out. Puzzle Cube, 19 bucks. I'm on the road, I hope a cop don't come. Man, these videos always just look like a white flash. Nice fountain though. Must really take a while. Holy cow, that fountain is spectacular. I think that's my new favorite one. You guys need to check this thing out. 19 bucks.